All right, let's jump right into this explainer. Have you seen that massive viral short, Can You Guess This Blue Ocean Monster? No one gets it right. Well, today, we're going to take what feels like a super simple, high-octane 30-second clip and literally stretch it out into a masterclass on audience engagement and AI production. Because, when you really look under the hood of a highly successful vertical video, you realize absolutely nothing is left to chance. Every single frame, every sound effect, every word, it's all engineered for one specific goal: keeping you hooked. So here's our game plan for today. We'll start with the 30-second hook, move into escalating the trivia clues, check out the engagement engine, uncover some AI production secrets, and finally wrap up with the pinned comment strategy. Let's get into it. Part 1, the 30-second hook, capturing attention instantly. Take a look at this timeline. It maps out the exact structural roadmap of this dense 30-second script. Just look at how tight these intervals are. We've got a hook at 5 seconds, clue 1 at 10, clue 2 at 15, a massive pivot called a reward hook at 22 seconds, and then a final countdown taking us to the 30-second mark. This really proves just how meticulously every fraction of a second is calculated. In the world of short-form content, you aren't measuring in minutes, you're measuring in milliseconds. And this pacing, it's perfectly designed to maximize viewer retention from the very first frame. Now notice how those critical first 5 seconds create absolute sensory overload. The creator doesn't just, show you water. They hit you with a fast visual zoom of a massive dark shadow moving swiftly under deep blue ocean water, complete with bubbles flying right at the screen. But look at the audio column. They pair that visual with a loud ocean whoosh and a totally jarring retro gaming beep. Add in the bold, colorful on-screen text, literally screaming, "Guess the animal," with a siren emoji. Boom, you've effectively hacked the viewer's attention span before they even have a chance to swipe away. Moving on to section 2, escalating the trivia clues and building the mystery. Notice how the script brilliantly escalates the clues here. So clue 1 hits right at the 10-second mark. We see a giant tail slap the water, making a massive wave, and a hint icon pops up saying, "Its heart is as big as a car." That's a highly visual, physical scale comparison, right? Imagine trying to find a parking spot for a heart. But then, just 5 seconds later, clue 2 completely raises the stakes. The camera zooms into the creature's mouth, releasing a huge blast of water, and the text drops, "It's the loudest animal on Earth." See what happened? We went from a relatable physical comparison to an absolute world record superlative. The mystery is growing exponentially in just 10 seconds. The real secret sauce here, though, is the precise audio-visual pairing. It's not just what you see, it's what you hear. When that giant tail slaps the water, we get a visceral splash paired with the super satisfying ding sound for the clue. But look at the second row. The visual of a huge blast of water from the blowhole is perfectly matched with a loud sonar echo, kind of like a submarine ping. This specific audio choice subconsciously reinforces the creature's immense, deep ocean scale right in the viewer's mind. It's honestly just brilliant psychological sound design. All right, section 3, the engagement engine, driving audience action. This brings us to a really vital tactic called the reward hook, which this script deploys perfectly at exactly 15 seconds in. Instead of just waiting until the very end of the video to ask for a comment like most people do, a reward hook is a deliberate mid-video pivot. It transitions you straight from receiving content into an explicit incentive. Basically, engage right now and you get a prize or some kind of recognition. And to make absolutely sure you cannot miss this pivot, the script demands a sudden, dramatic visual shift. At 15 seconds, that dark ocean totally vanishes. The screen transitions to a bright neon background, a blank avatar template pops up, and paired with some fast, upbeat transition music, the bold text drops, "Comment your answer. First correct answer gets featured in our next video." This aggressively grabs your focus, completely changing the rules of the video from a simple guessing game into a high-stakes competition. And then, panic sets in. At exactly the 22-second mark, a massive digital timer takes over the screen, launching an aggressive countdown starting at 5. This breakdown shows exactly how you manufacture that panic and excitement. The creator combines an aggressive 5-second digital countdown timer with a ticking clock sound effect and a dramatic swell in the music. Simultaneously, that dark shadow finally begins to emerge from the water, right as the text screams, "Lock in your guess now." This creates an intense psychological urgency to comment before the video ends and the answer is revealed. If they wait, they literally lose the game. Section 4. AI Production Secrets. Bringing the monster to life. This exact visual generation prompt reads like a secret code. It's designed for AI video generators like Runway, Pika, or Sora. And right there, smack in the middle of the text, it finally confirms to us that our mystery ocean monster is in fact a massive blue whale. But more importantly, look at the specific parameters the creator is dictating to the AI to get that perfect viral aesthetic. By explicitly requesting dynamic camera angles, bright cinematic lighting, and an ultra-realistic 3D cartoon style, the creator ensures the AI outputs visually stunning content. They aren't just asking for a boring picture of a whale. No, they are tailoring the prompt specifically for the intense energy of vertical scrolling. The kid's animation style combined with cinematic lighting guarantees the visuals will be colorful enough to catch the eye, but polished enough to keep viewers watching the whole way through.
And finally, Section 5, Pinned Comment Strategy, Sealing the Loop.
This post-upload pinned comment setup is an absolute stroke of genius. Once uploaded, the creator immediately pins this comment, which completely doubles down on the reward hook. By explicitly stating "I am checking timestamps," the creator is validating the intense urgency created by that 5-second countdown in the video. It tells the viewer that every single second truly did matter, rewarding their fast action and encouraging them to be even faster next time. This simple 3-step workflow creates a really powerful community-driven loop. You upload the short, you post the pinned comment to drive immediate competitive action, and then you actually animate the winner's name in next week's episode. By doing this, you're virtually guaranteeing that today's viewers will return next week just to see if they won the prize. It transforms a one-off viral video into a serialized, fully interactive show. As we wrap up this explainer, I really want you to think about how you can apply these hyper-calculated second-by-second scripting techniques to your own creations. From those sensory overload hooks and escalating clues, all the way to mid-video reward pivots and strategic AI prompts, every single element is a deliberate choice. So what hidden mechanics will you use to turn your next 30 seconds of content into an unstoppable engagement engine? The blueprint is right there, waiting for you to use it.